Hi guys, it's been such a long time. This is gonna be a time skip, but basically I'm on my dorm right now. I was gonna go to the gym, but I decided not to. I'm actually gonna go outside to get a couple of things because I've been wanting to get these stuff.
And when the moon's bright, I'll see her on some sandy beach, or on a hilltop, smiling just out of my reach. I reach for Claire de Lune, as one obsessed might look for the moon. One possessed might see something others don't see. See her face, and I hear a strange melody. How strange.
I'm so excited to go outside. Oh, yes. We're here. We're gonna go to the granola house and then come back to the train station. Yeah. These are the flavors. Okay, I'm just gonna get that one. But they also have other ones. I got the baby! Finally, no stairs to long walk. First time? I never really like olives, but let's try one. Percent recommend that place. The store owner was really nice. Apparently she studied abroad in Australia. That's why she made her business, and she gifted me a case for my straw. I was really touched. Yay! I'm gonna show you guys a shopping haul. I didn't expect to get a lot because I only wanted to get like certain things like already planned. The first place that I went to was Granola House. It's granola apple cinnamon. Comes in a glass jar. Could reuse the containers. I'm a granola whore. I am always looking for granola, so this is gonna be gone in like 2 weeks. I got this mini straw. There's another set that had like a straw. This for free. Really nice experience. I really loved her. I wish I could go there every single day to eat it, but obviously that's not realistic, especially since it's in Seoul, and I literally had to climb mountains to get there. I got this. This one is from the same brand as the other two drinks. This is another brand. It looked really good. Guess what? I bought more yogurt. Pub pickers. Don't tell me this is not cute. They also give you this like little merchandise. I decided to get this matcha flavored Greek yogurt. I'm gonna butter my Greek yogurt. looks like ice cream. Oh. It's so good. But I decided to take it though. I wanted to borrow it, so I'm not gonna eat it. I'll see that. Oh my god. I hope no one goes to the kitchen right now. I'm just gonna I am very tired. I need to eat in the kitchen. It's been a while I haven't eaten in my dorm, so I guess it'll be okay. Just gonna add the granola. Bon appetit, guys. Yes. Oh wow. I decided to get more fruits because I think it's gonna taste really good with frozen blueberries and raspberries. I beasted my meal and now I am, well, it wasn't a meal, it was a dessert. I beasted my dessert and I kind of ate a little bit more of the granola because it tasted so good. A green day. I'm gonna use the emergency one because very anyone uses it. I feel like a lot of people use it whenever they're like late or for class, but now no one's using it. I'm gonna use emergency. Just coming up for me. We're doing this quickly because I never really use the elevators because I don't like finding people that I know. I know this is kind of odd, but I usually use the stairs. I didn't dress up pretty because I did work out. I'm sweaty and it's musty. For tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be nicer. I need to after many attempts of going to forgetting, going back and forth, we're on our way to get lunch. The place is located in Triple Street, so we're just gonna go underground. Finally made it to the place. I'm on the line. Actually quite famous. I'm gonna get 얼큰 순두부 사골밥. I'm gonna ask them to put the rice separately, and I'm also gonna get the 어린이 셀프 소고기 주먹밥. This one and that one. Let's get some side dishes. Sure. Like chai, a little bit of soup. 감사합니다. I asked them to put the rice separately. This is more soup. I think the rice is like not even. I'll also ask for this. A couple minutes. Literally running. Let's go. IKEA. Oh my god, first. We low-key just want to go straight to shopping, but we cannot miss the showroom. Georgia. Or I forgot to film. I saw a cake. Yay! Look at this. I'm only gonna buy 3. Just like meal prep. The perfect food containers for my beans. They have a cafe here. I think I'll pass. Forgetting to record, but I paid already. That was so important. Right, well, we made it. Took my time to actually show you what I got. I didn't finish the whole thing, so I still have some left in there. But it's 100% plant-based soy milk Greek yogurt. After I finish showing you guys the stuff that I got, I'm gonna go take a shower and knock the fuck out. But this is not glass. This is plastic. More honey. I didn't think I was gonna get this. Some containers for my beans. I got it. Perfect. Convenient. Yogurt. Oh my god, so creamy. Now, actually like maybe 4. I also woke up kind of late. My alarm didn't wake me up. Maybe I was imagining things and I thought I put my alarm, but I didn't. This coconut granola is gonna like it's so thick and creamy. How do they even make this? I'll see you guys in the train station. 500 times we've been through here. Let's just jump into our next location. It's such a nice day for Kimbap. I feel like the lighting is really bad right now. Amazing in the awesome weather. Yeah. We're gonna head back to the campus. I have dance practice soon. Guess what? It's already 8. Like, damn. Time passes so quickly. I literally just ate. I literally just sat down.